Hey guys, the Rage here. So I'm doing a quick unboxing of this. That's it. These are organic espresso truffles. So without further ado, let's open this pack. And there's a bunch in here. You guys can see it. Smells amazing here. And this one, each one, it's dark chocolate truffle. Each one has a cup of espresso in it, each pack. So this is from That's It. I'm gonna open one up and I'm gonna try it. It's really good. Really nice. Tastes like dark chocolate and espresso. Exactly what it says. I can definitely see getting a hit of caffeine on this. It's really good. Has some dates, so it's nice. So it's organic, so that's even better. Okay. That's it. Organic truffles, and they're about this size. I took a bite, but you know you can tell what size they're supposed to be, and they're really good. Don't eat too many of them because each one has a cup of espresso. So definitely don't eat too many. But highly recommend. Great taste, especially if you like dark chocolate and coffee. And that's it, guys. Now I have my mouth full. Let's end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Take care.